Hey everyone, Dennis here, Southwest Tech Solutions. Today I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of the Cloudli desktop app for Windows. I've got a few customers that are using it these days, and there's always a few questions about how to use the soft phone client. So give you a quick rundown, just show you a few things. Shouldn't be too long of a video, just some of the basics, and then we can take it from there. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into your AS Plus portal account from cloudli.com. You can go to the top right corner here, click, hover over the little dude, and then go down to AS Plus Portal, and then put in your username and password, and it'll bring you to a screen like this. Now, if you're one of my customers, or if you work with another agent, you're likely they can take care of this for you. But I just wanted to show you in case you manage your own account. So what we do is we first click on the downloads link at the top of the screen button, and then we go down to mobile applications here. And here you can find a link to the iOS app, the Mac OS app, Android app, and the Windows app. All the first three here for iOS, Mac, and Android, it'll bring you to their respective app store. But for the Windows app, you just click on it, boom, and you'll see in the top right corner here, you'll get it'll download. And once that's done, just go through the installation. Once you do that, the first thing it's going to basically the first thing it's going to ask you to do is log in. And I'm already logged in here, so you'll log in with it'll be your extension at your service name or your account number. That'll be all contained in the email that you get when that's first set up for you. So as you can see, mine's running in the background. Cloudli app, we just double click, and there we go. It brings it up on the main screen here. And so what we end up with here is we get, when we first log into the app, we at the top, we get the app name and the version, and we're generally on the hub here. And this is kind of where it's kind of a summary of everything that you've done or that you can do within the app. If you click on the little new button here, the paper with the pen, you can, for example, open up a chat with someone in your organization. Now, for me, I'm the only one. It's a solo. I've only got one account. But if you had multiple accounts, you could come in here and do instant messaging. And there's nobody to see this, but if it was somebody else within your organization, they would see that. You could chat back and forth. You can put, you can use your emojis, and you can attach files and all that stuff. You can also, now on the left hand side, if you click on the people icon here, it'll show you all your contacts. You can chat a contact, you can call, you can favorite. You can right click and select them. So this would be like your team, for example. So if I had more people in my organization, we would see them here. You go down here, we have the dial pad. This is your typical dial pad. Now, you would have to set up your audio device, which I'll show you here in just a sec. But your dial pad, you would dial the number, click the phone, you can go back, and you can even send messages from here as well. There is a way within Cloudli that you can also enable SMS messaging. So there's some features there that you can take advantage of as well. Now, if we go down here, we go down to the gear cog, or the gear icon, and we have a selection on the right hand side under application here, where we can select what we want to use for our microphone and speakers. Now, for now, I'm using the microphone, this microphone currently recording, and speakers. Well, I don't really want to play anything on the speakers while I'm recording, but you can also set your notifications, incoming call, incoming message. Go down to help. It'll show you just some information about Cloudli. If you want to call them, you can call them at this number. If you want to email them, you can email their support department here. And so one of the good things about Cloudli is whether you're a direct customer that you signed up on their website, or you went through an agent like myself, you can either have your agent or your partner open the tickets and manage the support for you, or you can, you also have the ability to do that yourself. So the only thing that they ask is that when you open a ticket, you include basically a description of the problem as well as your customer number, so they know who they're dealing with. And of course, if we go to the About tab or the About link here, basically what we'll do is it'll show you some information about the app, terms of service, privacy policy, all that stuff. And you can even, click check for updates, and my app is up to date. And of course, on the Account tab, that will bring you to your account, so that you can log in on the web. And there's certain things you can do there that you may not be able to do in the app. And of course, we have favorites. So you have to go, for example, if we favorited a contact, I can't favorite myself, I guess. So if we had a favorite contact in there, we could do that. And of course, we have our information. If we click on the little cloud here, we have our information. And so yeah, we have our information, we have contacts, we have the hub here, and we can also click mark as read, so that if you've already dealt with whatever. We can also favorite the contact from there, I believe. Yep. And where did we go for that? There, shows it's favorited there as well. So look at that. Or maybe, yeah. That's kind of weird, but not sure what's going on there. But you can also leave a conversation. So if you're done, you can basically get rid of it. And there's a welcome message that's there by default, of course. All conversations we marked as read. We already did that. Team, again, that's the same thing. It shows, who's on your team, internal people kind of deal. And of course, we have, again, we have the dial pad. So it's a pretty straightforward app. There's nothing too complicated about it. But that's a little bit of a rundown. I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel here, just so, when folks have some questions, that might be a good place to start. All right. Hope you all have a good day, and thanks for watching. Bye.